Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time to chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing lasts forever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's traveling day. Oh my god, it's a day that we have all been patiently waiting for. Right now I'm hungry, but I want to sit the line up. So now this is what I'm waiting now. For food, little food. Tim Hortons. For the little Tim, oh that doesn't even say Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons sign over there, so what? Lord. I bet I did wait downstairs and just buy the one from downstairs. But I'm getting something to eat because I'm mad hungry. I'm checked in already for my second night. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't watched my Vlogmas and you guys are only here for specifically Jamaica vlogs, I connected from Toronto to Ottawa and I'm leaving from Ottawa to Montego Bay. So yeah, my first flight left Toronto at 11:15. And my first flight left Toronto at 11:15 last night and got here in 40 something minutes, and so now this flight is from 6. So I slept. Adam is well tired. He just wants something to eat, and as soon as I go from the plane, yes, I have a window seats. I got 2 window seats. I got a window seat coming and I'm gonna have a window seat going. And yeah, so yeah, we just kind of get something to eat and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. My phone is dying, so I gotta hurry up and get this and charge my phone for a little bit so I can watch stuff on the plane. But until then, this is the flight that I've been waiting for, you guys. Jamaica. I can taste it, I can smell it. I just want a June plum, a beef patty. I mean, not a beef patty, a cheese patty. My KFC, of course. I have $700. I did find $200 in my purse. And my sister gave me 500 Jamaican dollars. And I have $700 in my scam buy something to eat. I'm going to sleep though, like I'm mad tired. So I don't know what I'm gonna get in terms of scenery, but aren't you guys tired of seeing that now? I just want some Jamaica, right? And I feel like already today my day is 2 people already messaged me and tell me I'm gonna have to see them as I come off of the plane. I'm gonna have to. So that's one of them just messaged me right now. So I'm gonna have to go up there, go look for them. And yeah, I'm gonna be in Jamaica in a couple. Yeah, this is so crazy. But anyways, that's the gist of it, guys. Here we go to Jamaica vlogs, the last of Jamaica vlogs of 2018, holiday version. Talk to a nice goodie, cause we're mine and blood. See you guys in Jamaica.
There's a place we can go. It's never cold, it never snows. Come feel the sand between your toes, baby. Yeah, you and I. Come to me, winter time. I'll keep you warm without a fire.
Y'all, the turbulence on this flight is ridiculous. Like, and I was just talking to somebody about turbulence on a flight. Like, bruh, this is the shit that makes you not want to fly. Oh my god. I hate this shit. Oh my god. Y'all pray for me. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Listen, I do not fucking do turbulence. words. Like, this plane is shaking, like, for the whole hour I've been on this plane. I just want to reach Jamaica. I don't have to worry about flying for 2 whole weeks. Like, I'm shaking in my boots, literally. Like, this shit is crazy. I'm shaking, yo. God, please. I hate flying in the winter because when the air pressure changes, luckily the people beside me are calm and they're not like scared like how I'm scared, because then I'd be fucking freaked out. And then I have these loud ass Jamaicans behind me chatting. I can't even hear shit, but the hostesses are still, the flight attendants are standing, so I think we should be good. But yo, it's like 10, quarter to 11. Yo, this has been the worst. I thought the last experience was bad, but this been turbulence.
Okay, so sorry, my mistake. The custom forms is 1 per guest. Okay, so 1 for each of you. Thanks.
Anyways, I'm supposed to use here, but then someone was supposed to rage, but yo, the turbulence out of this world. Like, we can't even give no footage. Me out when I'm on the seat in front of me, I'm when I'm on the seat, because and this one is like when I'm gonna be going home. I'm asking him, I live here, I'm living in Jamaica now, I'm a resident, I'm a local YouTuber now, I'm a local Jamaican local Jamaican YouTuber, talking to me live. I have to be, and I don't even want to get to do that because I'm afraid to feel it. I can feel the heat penetrating from the plane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the water. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. Ah, look at all the green. Jesus.
Vacation where I live. Summer all year, no snow bees. Jamming to my reggae in the tropics. Put a straw in a me jelly, make a drink it. Don't come act like you want this. Don't come with this third world ish. Sunshine bright as the future. A little island surrounded by water. Liquor, liquor, liquor.
Thank you, Jesus. My gosh, I can't believe I'm sad. At some point I didn't think I was gonna make it. We made it. Thank you, Captain. Touchdown in at the airport. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get outside. I want to see my daddy.
My boy, he made a lot of music, and I can hear
you guys are in Jamaica. I can't believe that. Oh my god.
And then they've got.
Just touched down in at the airport. Track suit, I'm an Air Force. All of my gal them love me. All the ones say I'm ugly.
Touchdown in at the airport. You guys, Daddy's here. Oh my god, I'm here. Talk to me nice, because we are mine. But yes, we are here for Christmas. Talk to me nice. Holiday video start now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have a couple things to do. And then yo, it's mad hot and I'm in a sweater. I really should have changed my outfit, but I look at my skin not glow already. I don't my art on my set. But yeah. Welcome to Jamaica, Montego Bay to be exact. The man, every time I'm leaving the airport, they always want to come and help you with your stuff, right? I don't ask for assistance because I will struggle with my bags. I will go outside and come back in if I have to. The man decided he was gonna put the stuff on. I said, all right, no problem. Come and said no. He'll come up, well, normally people leave tips. I said, normally people ask for assistance. No offense, but like I didn't ask, so, and I don't have no change on me either, which is why I did not ask, so. Yeah, you can't upset if you want, but so I go. Anyway, so yeah, Daddy's bringing the van. I have a few stops to make before I go home, but I need to bathe. My hot, I mean, I sweat. I can't believe I've been traveling from yesterday. I'm finally rich. Go ahead. Yo. I want some KFC, an idea, yeah. Honestly, I'm not telling a lie. But yeah, when I get into the van, I will come back and yeah, until then, bye. Just touched down in Jamaica. Daddy, say hi. Hi. Daddy, you guys are in Jamaica. Oh my God. We're home. Finally, I'm on soil and ground because that flight, you guys. Hey, Daddy, remember how I had that bad flight the last time? This was worse. At one point, they came and gave us the drinks. Me and the people then that we were sitting with, we had to hold it literally like this. We could not put it down. We couldn't move. Couldn't do nothing. You didn't even want to blink. It was so intense. I was like, why? And it was a much longer flight because Ottawa is like, what, an hour away? So it was like an extra hour and 45 minutes I had to be on the plane for. Anyways, guys, I am here. I'm excited. We have so much things to already do that I have to go get seasoning. I'm like, I wish I could change my shirt. It's like I'm sweating. I'm always sweating, but this is sweat on a different level.
This is Jamaica, you just take it off.
I'm pretty sure if any of your brothers and sisters see me on the street, they wouldn't be too happy with my dressing up choice. It doesn't matter. You hear this?
They'll understand.
You hear this? And if I put on a short shorts or a short skirt or something with too open back or too revealing, he'll be like, why you put on that? Change that, whatever. But he's giving me permission to go outside with no shirt on. It's alright. Look at my bro, even my, oh God. No man, this is bad. But anyways, I'll get into more when we get. I hope I did not leave my charger on the plane. Anyways, bye guys. Talk truth, that's how you do it, people. When your gas run out, you turn off the engine. You turn off the engine and park till it's time to move. This is living in Jamaica and the car's not even on and it's running. Talk to a nice good because we're mindable. We are Browns. We are very mindable, yeah? Yeah. Yes. Jesus. Tell me about because it's always something with your vehicle. But that's what I mean, I can't drive it. I need a car because your vehicle, it will leave me on the roadside. Yes, because it only listens to its master. Only you can manage it, really. I can manage it up the road and back, but anywhere else,
Most reliable vehicle.
No, it is reliable, don't get me wrong, but I feel like only you can manage it. I can't believe I'm here. Daddy, are you sure? Are you sure? You want to get married? Sure. When she should come. Rubies. Hi. Wasn't it here the last time we came in? eating my snacks from off the plane. I didn't bring a car mount this year, so it don't make no sense because I have my tripod.
Okay, alright, I'll take that advice. Thanks.
Ayo.
Super that one move, man. So my engine turn on. You know to say it cap like a mere hope, you know. Like I'm phone here.
Like when follower?
Driver man. God have mercy. You must blind to rotting.
And this is why the eye does not drive out of anchovy. For this reason, our only on good straight road, going straight to the grill or on the highway because we can't bother with them something here, you understand? Yeah. Somebody just calling him. Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Just touched down in at the airport. Love me car, me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me browning. Reach me
Yeah, but
already.
that's what I say. Better me go drop off these then because me think I went down your lunch. You say I'll buy up some stuff. Are you better turn off on the highway to say you're there? Yeah. Alright. Let's come back then. Alright.
Porky!
The brain touches.
What? My big friend!
That's all sugar. You just come.
Just reached. Just touched down.
Okay.
Yes, how are you? That's good. That's good. Me too. You know, see? You know, see? Them put it on, but me take you off. Why? Because them too disrespectful. Me know my words, you understand?
So, the day after the Christmas.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Hello. Next time, say about half a gap. You know, whole hour, you know, like that. You know, say half a people, and next hour go.
Half of who?
You can't even have to go like.
Daddy, does he know who I are when it comes to pork? Like, do you know?
I wouldn't go no time, madam. I wouldn't jump ship for you. Alright, my boss. I'm not taking no time going up.
Alright,
cool.
Bye.
No, baby.
Hey, wait, Daddy, wait. Alright, homebound. See, when you are a local, you just see your friends everywhere, you know? When you are a humble human being, people just love you. And they have to call to you anytime them see you. I mean that. Tijio's really gone to his mom's?
He must have gone. I ain't gone to them. Must have gone play one match, one something like that. Basketball, but so then he went to 4 o'clock this morning. So.
Me not see him this time. Me not even gonna say nothing. Honestly, me not even gonna say nothing. Me not, Tijio come out of my head. I don't have a brother. I don't have a brother from a father. I don't have a brother from a mother. Come let me allergic to brother. Honestly. Daddy, from 2016 when I sit to you, you know? When I came last Christmas. But when I come to September, I not see him. When I come August, I not see him. And them know say me I come, right? Of course. How can I miss? I mean, almost, but you know, hell, what's wrong with this child? Yo, I feel like I'm gonna jump in one river or one bath or something right now, like no boiling water to my thing right now, like the way I feel. Oh my god. You want some more?
River is the ideal thing.
Can we go to a river one day? Go take a nice bath. River water not touch me now a long time. Long time.
Like me, I'm married to my woman, but I've never been more here. So tell her, so she just like to start live.
You guys heard it for yourself. I didn't say it. I let him say it. Oh, he's getting married. I didn't tell you guys anything because I don't know how to handle it all. So I can't talk about it. I have to let him say it all. But you will be there. My dad is getting married. The more I say it is the more I can't believe it. You know? It's like he's getting married. My mom is so mad at me. And she's like, well, she told Trisha, she didn't tell me. But she's like, imagine, Zoe father married and she didn't send nothing to me. She'll buy up things, they might come at my house and she'll go to Jamaica and she didn't say, alright, our daddy I get married. I said, I'm not saying that. I'm not telling you anything. That is a conversation for you and your baby father to have, not for me to tell you. I am the child. Yeah? You see now? Normally it would be like, oh, you are the child, don't say nothing, you don't have a right to speak. But now that I'm being the child and I'm having the right not to speak, I'm supposed to speak.
Hello. Nora married, who did she say anything to? Oh, I forgot, so she and something never married.
Who? She never married.
Okay.
She only married one time. To whoever is Mr. Pastor.
Miss said they're married, you know.
She ain't never married. Would never make me and Trisha. You think we would have sit down and make she married to that man? That man was something else. Anyways, guys, going home to come back in town. So I will see you guys later. I need a pack of these donuts. A road. You get everything you want a road. You get your windshield wipers wipe. You know, that is the Ankiat.
Just wash the van. Why you wipe off?
Ayo.
Jeez, man.
Just wash so much, you know.
Jesus have mercy.
And then them to clean it properly. This is where you find out about all the entertainment that is going on. Well, most of the entertainment that is going on, yeah. Hi, December 26th, oh, Wifey versus Betty! KFC, the one, well, this one's not tray bad, but this one's bad still in terms of pack-wise. You have your cars, stuff. I think you have a next one over there. Oh, yeah, but we know say it's on the, yeah. It's on the, what is it, IGL? ITL? ATL. This is just oh, dream. Yes. This is what, Daddy? Just a dog like, yeah, and you can smell it. You have Dream Auto, and then you have ATL. Yeah. Up there where you see the smoke, either something died or they're burning garbage or they might cook some. Well, if they might make wood fire, that it wouldn't make so much smoke. So I burn something. Woo!
Give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. chimney, chimney. Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights, so you can say what you want.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm